Assalamu alaikum. It's Haytham here. Welcome to another video working with Unity or getting started with Unity. If my voice is a bit groggy, I'm sorry, but I'm a bit sick. So, in this tutorial series, we're going to focus on the rollerball game. We're going to take some inspiration from the learning platform, the Unity's learning platform, and then deviate a bit by adding different layers on top of it. So there's like the prototype of the rollerball game, but it doesn't have a main menu, doesn't have NPCs, doesn't have dialogue, doesn't have an open world, for example, doesn't have levels, doesn't have a saving system. So I'm planning to expand upon it with these topics. So instead of just making the prototype, no, we're gonna try to make a small full game, let's say, of the project. So if you want to check out the beginner tutorial, you can simply head to the learning, basically the learn panel within the Unity Hub, and then you can check it out from Unity's website. In our case, I'm going to create a new project. All right, I'm going to make sure that we're using the same Unity version that I mentioned in the earlier version. It's going to be a 3D project, and then I'm going to name it, let's call it Xtreme Volleyball. Okay. I'm gonna keep it now in this template folder, but later on, I'm gonna teach you how to create a GitHub repository to make sure that the project doesn't get lost. Plus, then you can actually clone it and put it in any PC that you want to put it in. Okay? So I don't need to create or associate it with an organization, so I'm not gonna connect it to Unity Cloud. I'm gonna hit create project and it should basically create a new empty project for me. I'm gonna pause the video here and basically come back when it's loaded.